From divine sister of the light Elaine Marie Rose. I have been lost in a dream spell in these days, and what a dream is born, beloveds. I saw a crown of crystal roses, mother dragons embodied, being birthed as primordial light womb hearts around the globe and pouring rainbow plasma light as Edenic joy into the collective time grids. They are rebirthing the new, restored memory matrix, time wave, into the collective. The upgrades are washing in with tidal forces of divine love unleashed. The great mother force is reclaiming her kingdoms. No more will her children be devoured by distortion. The Motherland, Mu, is coming online as the new collective imprint is reborn as Lemuria restored. The restoration of the primary soul seeding frequency of humanity. Mother will be remembered and honored. I saw a bejeweled tapestry of light joining, as we, the ancient wizards, masters, magas and magi, sacred priests and priestesses, earth keepers, shamans, healers, and starseeds of all kinds who have gathered globally, raising our individual embodied frequency into Christos Sophia, love held together, and fed the impulse of birth that opened the rainbow bridge of the covenant restored. 144 continuing to quantum solar flash in. Humanity restored to their birthright once more. And we corrected the mutations in the program by bypassing the old blocked and occupied Stargate reversal systems. We used our own sacred heart portals and created an entirely new Stargate grid that wrapped the earth with rainbow plasma bliss-filled love. Victory. The turning point is here. The rainbow bridges have opened and cannot be closed or tampered with. All now can choose their new timeline experience. No more soul entrapment by the occult binding of free will. No more generational entanglement and trauma cycling. Children of the Creator's light have their sovereign choice restored. Access to the other dimensional planes are open. The gates of dimensional heaven realms are available to any who wish to rise in frequency to meet them. We are home again, as we will usher in the new kingdoms of light restored on Gaia. We begin now, rebuilding, reuniting, rejoicing. So be it, beloved soul tribe, so be it. Blessed be, from ElaineMarieRose.com.